Today in front of me I have the TECNO Spark 20 Pro, and in this video I'll show how you can put this phone into the fast boot mode. So to start, you will need to power it off by holding the side power button for about 3 seconds and tapping at the power off option. Once the phone is switched off entirely, you will need to simultaneously press and hold the volume up and side power buttons. Once you see the TECNO logo, let your finger off the power key and keep holding the volume up button. Then once you see this little Android guy laying on its back, press and hold the volume up button and then press and hold the power button and then press the volume up button once. Then make sure that your phone is of course plugged into your PC or laptop. Then using the volume rocker, select the enter fast boot option here, tap the power button to confirm, and here you have it. Now you can reboot the system, enter recovery, or reboot to the bootloader mode. So that's up to you which option you'll go with. Anyway, that'll be it for this video, so thanks for watching and bye bye.